Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will learn how to write the letter Ha. The first thing you will do is to make the mizan, which is 5 nuktas in width. Then you start writing the letter. The first stroke of this letter Ha is a curved S stroke, which is about 1.5 nukta. The next stroke start from where the previous stroke finished, but it will go up, then come down. The second stroke is simple. You merge fully into the previous stroke and you come back from it and exit from it after 2.5 nukta. Then make the stroke like the letter C in English. Here you will be able to fix 1 nukta. Here inside it should be 5 to 6 nuktas in height. This space will be approximately 1.5 nukta. And here we will be able to fix 1 nukta. Here, if I make a straight line from the top part of the letter, you will see a small gap here. That is all for this video. See you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.